Hey cuties, it's your favorite little peanut head here. I am on the way to Sally's because I'm gonna go pick up all the things I need to do this bleach job and go platinum. Oh, it's cold. Don't touch it.
Why?
Do you want to see mommy's hair white? Do you think it'll look funny? Will I look like Storm from X-Men? Oh my God!
You see some people going around with their hair yellow, they didn't do the second course. They just wanted like that. I remember when I did my one with orange. It was orange, real orange.
You like mommy's hair? You do? What about you, Mason? He said no. No, baby, in case some of this bleach gets on you. No way.
I see.
Tell them what mommy's doing. Mommy's making her hair white.
No.
No?
I can't see them.
They can see you.
I can't see them. Where are them?
Mm-hmm.
Where are them?
They're inside YouTube world. YouTube world. Say, hey, cuties.
I can't see that. It's like high butts.
You want my phony?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Woo, that's burning.
No time. I feel like the others used to mix the sugar and water, make it thick.
Now that we got this color for the hair, we have to figure out which color for the clothes are gonna work the best. Because, you know, now I gotta zhuzh up my wardrobe to make it work. How do you think this hot pink looks on me? Hot pink? Yay or nay? What about an intense green like this? Do you think it washes me out? Or does it work? Do you think I could still rock a pastel number? Cute? Or no? I kind of like it. Do we think a neutral is gonna hit every time? Or could we just never go wrong with black? I also have to figure out what jewelry tones are gonna work best for me. I've been wearing gold, but I wonder if I could still do silver. Here it is. Well, I think we can do both. We'll figure that out soon. Until next time, bye.